How to create a portfolio of your design work online. Building a portfolio is one of the most important steps in your design career. It's your visual resume and the first impression you make with future employers or clients. Today, it's easier than ever to create a professional-looking portfolio online, and Homestyler can play a key role in that process. Start by selecting your best design projects. Make sure each one tells a story. What was the challenge? Your creative approach and the final solution. Use Homestyler to build high-quality 3D renders, 360 views, and floor plans that visually communicate your concepts. The rendering tool allows you to generate photorealistic images that elevate your presentation. Next, choose a platform to host your portfolio. This could be Behance, your own website, or a PDF format to email. Make sure it's clean, organized, and highlights your unique style. Include short write-ups with each project and mention the tools you used, like Homestyler, to show your tech skills. You can even embed Homestyler's VR, links or design walkthroughs into your digital portfolio to impress your audience. Want to start creating? The link to Homestyler is in the description. Use it to begin designing and showcasing your work today. A well-made portfolio opens doors. Make sure yours stands out.